Now class 5 social online class lesson 2.1. The lesson name is custom and tradition. First, the meaning of tradition is parampara and custom. I am going to introduction about tradition. The tradition is a set of beliefs, custom, practices and norms which are passed down from one generation to another. Sometimes a tradition becomes so powerful that it establishes itself as a rule of society. Therefore, tradition is an asset of any society. In the tradition, they have some good tradition and customs and some bad tradition and custom also. Like we honor first, if we are going to good tradition, the point is we honor our guest. In the good tradition and custom, we always honor our guest. Like a Atithi Devo Bhava means a guest is as a god, is a good as a god. भन्ने मतलब अतिथि हाम्रो के एउटा भगवानको स्वरूप हो भन्ने कुरा हाम्रो गुड ट्रेडिसन मानिन्छ. हाम्रो नेपालमा जति पनि हाम्रो ट्रेडिसन्सहरु भइरहेको छ, जति पनि हाम्रो परम्पराको भित्र आउने ट्रेडिसनहरुमा कुनै राम्रो ट्रेडिसन, राम्रो परम्परा छ भनेपछि त्यो भित्र हाम्रो नराम्रो परम्पराहरु पनि मानिएको छ. त्यसमा फर्स्ट मतलब इन अ first point, we honor our guest. We always honor our guest as a god. The next one is we greeting and use polite word to everyone. We always greet them, our elder ones, our brothers, sisters, our parents, and we always use polite words to our young ones and also elder ones also. The next point is we celebrate different festivals with friends and relatives like Dasai, Tihar, Holi, Chhat and etc. In our community, in our society, we celebrate different types of festivals like Holi, Dasai, Tihar, Chhat, etc. We always celebrate these different types of festival like there. And the next one is we share our problems with each other and discuss the ways to solve them. In this point, we are living in a community and we are living in a society. We always share our problems with each other and we try to and we discuss to the way to solve them. And we are going to our next point, the some bad traditions and customs. In our traditions, they had a good tradition also there. Some are the bad tradition also there. The bad tradition is in the name of tradition, people gambling during Dasai and Tihar throughout the night and sometimes lose all their monies. Yes, we are celebrate Dasai and Tihar. In the name of Dasai and Tihar, the peoples are playing gambling. And during whole night, and they some lose. They playing these types of they follow this type of tradition. They lose lots of money. They also lose lots of money and being in a ruin their life also. And the second point is in the name of tradition, youths and people smoking marijuana at Shivratri is equally bad. Yes, Shivratri is our tradition. Is a tradition. We are worship Lord Shiva. But in the tradition, the name of tradition, the peoples and youth using smoking marijuana. Marijuana is a dry leaves that are smoked as a drug. It is a drug, marijuana. But the peoples using like the name of tradition. Parampara ko naamma कि गाँजाहरू खाने, गाँजा खाएर आफ्नो उसमा होसमा नहुने अनि यसरी गरेपछि हाम्रो युथहरू हाम्रो जति पनि भक्करो केटाकेटीहरू जो पनि हाम्रो भाइ बहिनीहरू हुन्छ उनीहरू प्रायः जस्ताहरू एडिक्सनको नाममा गइदिन्छ। एडिक्सन भनेको यसको लतमा, ड्रगको लतमा गइदिन्छ। मतलब हाम्रो यो जति पनि हाम्रो भाङ गाँजाहरू यस्तो उसको भित्र पस्ने नाम उसको लगाउने, चाडपर्वको नाम लगाउने, परम्पराको नाम लगाउँदै होइन, भगवान् शिवको प्रसाद भन्दै खाँदै, तर यसको स्टार्टिङ प्रोसेस गर्दै हाम्रो युथहरू हाम्रो कहाँ गइरहेको हुन्छ, ड्रगको मुखमा गइरहेको हुन्छ। ट्रेडिसन। द नेक्स्ट वान इज पिपल स्टिल बिलिभ इन समानिजम। समानिजम भनेको के भनेपछि द मिनिङ अफ समानिजम इज धामा झाँक्री। यस, स्टिल इन नेपाल the Nepali peoples also believe in Dhamma Jhakri and Samalism. They are known as. They also in the Nepal, the country also believes about in someone fallen sick. They are not going to directly in a hospital. They are going to Dhamma Jhakri for being a good. But they not think about it is not good for our lives. We are most of the people still believes in shamanism. They are thinking about the god or spirit. The shamanism claim that they contact with a good god and spirit and cure the sick people. They're thinking about if people fall sick, some god and spirit in between, the some and god in between, they're doing like this type of things. So they are going to Dhamma Jhakri and trying to be someone falls sick to be a good health. But it is a very bad tradition in our country that people still believing shamanism and is Dhamma Jhakri also. And the people puts life to sick person at a risk. They are not thinking about their life will be a risk. We are taking the risk from their life in going to a shamanism. Now the next point is very important in our tradition. There is a bad tradition and custom in our society and our country is untouchability and discrimination between son and daughter. Now, in a 21st century, still in Nepal, they also follow the untouchability and also discrimination between son and daughter. Still people also follow this type of tradition in our community and society and country also. Because untouchability is another a bad tradition. Some people believe a low caste person should not be entered at home of upper caste classes. भनी मतलब कुनै पनि सानो जातिका मान्छेहरू अलि ठुलो जातिका मान्छेको घरभित्र पस्न हुँदैन, उहाँले छोको खाना हुँदैन, उहाँले छोको पानी पिउनु हुँदैन भनेपछि अहिले पनि हाम्रो नेपालमा यो चीजले मानिरहेको छ। अनटचेबिलिटी भनेको छुवाछुत उहाँलाई चाहिँ कोही हक छैन कि उनीहरू चाहिँ अलिक ठुलो जातिको भएको मान्छेको घरमा पस्ने, उहाँले छोको खाने, उहाँले छोको पिउने चाहिँ उहाँहरूको अनटचेबिलिटीको उसमा हुन्छ। नाउ इन द सेकेन्ड अल्सो देयर आर द डिस्क्रिमिनेसन बिट्विन सन एन्ड डटर। डिस्क्रिमिनेसन बिट्विन भनेको भेदभाव, छोरा र छोरी बीच भेदभाव। अहिले पनि हाम्रो नेपालमा के भइरहेको छ कि छोरा र छोरी बीचको भेदभाव। कति प्राय मान्छेहरूले छोरी चाहिँदैन भनिन्छ, कति प्राय मान्छेलाई छोरा नै चाहिन्छ भने किन छोराले वंश चलाउँछ भन्ने कुरा हुन्छ र छोरीहरूलाई मार्ने हैन, भ्रूण हत्या गर्ने, छोरी नचाहिने, छोरी पाए पनि छोरी र छोरामा मतभेद गर्ने, त्यस्तो चिजहरू अहिले पनि हाम्रो समाजमा भइरहेको छ। द्याट इज अल्सो इन केम अन अवर ट्रेडिसन, परम्पराभित्र आइरहेको छ। जस्ता कि अहिले हामीले देखेछौँ, अहिले छुवाछुतको हामीले भर्खरै हाम्रो न्युजमा हामीले देखेको पनि छौँ कि अस्ति भर्खरै यस्तो छुवाछुतको मतभेदमा एउटा केटालाई त्यस्तै भएर मारिदिएको छ। अनि त्यस्तै भएर हामीले यहाँ डिस्क्रिमिनेसन बिट्विन छोरा र छोरीको अहिले पनि कति प्राय मान्छेहरूको सोचाइ के छ भनेपछि छोरा नै वंश चलाउने छ भनेपछि छोरी त आएको घर जाने भन्ने अहिले पनि हाम्रो कति ठाउँमा, नेपालको कति ठाउँमा अहिले पनि यही प्रथाहरूलाई मानिएको छ। बट all tradition in a good and bad tradition makes our society. गुड एन्ड ब्याड। हामीले जब राम्रो परम्परामा अपनाउँदैछौँ भनेपछि हामीले कुनै प्रायहरू नराम्रो परम्पराहरू पनि हाम्रो समाजमा उम्रेको छ। त्यो फेरि देशले उम्राएको होइन, त्यो चाहिँ हाम्रो समाजले उम्राएको, हाम्रो समाजबाट निस्केको परम्परा। मैले अघि नै पनि यहाँ लेखिसकेको छु, कतिपय ट्रेडिसन्सहरू जो छ ऊ चाहिँ सोसाइटीले नै इस्ट्याब्लिस गरेको हुन्छ, मतलब समाजबाटै नै बनेको हुन्छ। तर यति पावरफुल हुन्छ कि ऊ चाहिँ कति समयसम्म अगाडि चाहिँ चलिरहेको हुन्छ। सो द्याट देयर आर गुड थिङ्स अबाउट सम ट्रेडिसन्स टु टेक फर इक्जाम्पल लाइक तिज, भाइटिका। यसको मध्येमा पनि हामीले कतिपय अब हाम्रो यसको बिचमा पनि कति राम्रो कुराहरू छ, जस्तै कि हाम्रो भाइटिका, तिज। During this festival, married women visit the birthplace home, and bond between brother and sister become stronger. In a Tej and Bhaitika, the married women going to their birthplace. That is the good thing to we are bond with a good bond with their families, their relatives, between the two families. And we should be able to differentiate between good and bad tradition. हामीले यहाँ भित्रमा पनि गुड र ब्याड ट्रेडिसन्सहरूलाई चाहिँ मेटाउन सकिन्छ। अब भाइटिका मनाएर हामीले समाजमा जस्तो छोरा चाहियो भनेपछि भाइटिकाको लागि त छोरी पनि चाहिन्छ, तिज मनाउन छ भनेपछि पनि त छोरी चाहिन्छ, घरमा छोरीहरू लिएर आउनु पर्यो, छोरीहरू चाहियो। त्यो चिजहरूलाई मेटाउनको लागि पनि, यी परम्पराहरूलाई मेटाउनको लागि पनि भाइटिका जस्तो र तिज जस्तो चाडपर्वहरू पनि मनाइएको छ। किनकि बिहा भएको महिलाहरू आफ्नो घरमा फर्केर जानुहुन्छ, जन्मस्थानमा जानुहुन्छ, फेरि दाइ भाइहरूसित भेट्ने, परिवारसित भेट्ने। त्यस्तै तिजको बेलामा र भाइटिकाको बेलामा, रक्षाबन्धनको बेलामा त्यतिखेर केटीहरू बिहा भएको महिलाहरू आफ्नो घरतिर जाने, माइततिर गएर चाडपर्व मनाउने। त यो राम्रो बन्डिङ बनाउनको लागि पनि एउटा राम्रो कुराहरू हो हाम्रो समाजमा परम्पराभित्र पर्ने। We should able to differentiate between good and bad tradition. We should promote a good ones and abolish the bad one. हामीले सक्दो हामीले गुड ट्रेडिसन्सहरू यानि राम्रो परम्पराहरूलाई हामीले अगाडि बढाउनु पर्छ र नराम्रो परम्परा सकेसम्म हामीले एभोइड बताएर यो समाजबाट एकदमै मेटाउनु पर्ने हामीले चाहिँ यसको लागि काम गर्नुपर्छ र सधैँ हामीले यसको लागि नै अगाडि काम गरिरहनुपर्छ। So class 5, I think you know about the difference between tradition and customs, and the difference between the introduction about tradition, and the difference between bad customs and good customs also, what the good custom in our society and country, and what the bad tradition and custom in our society. The difference between your homework. I will give your homework. Please write it down. Now class 5, write your homework. The question number 1, write 3 words from this lesson. Question number 2, page number 3, question number 1 and question number 2 and question number 3 in book, and question number 4 in copy. This is the question answer, you can do yourself. Then again next class I will write the answers also there. Okay. I hope you can understand the custom and tradition in our country, what the tradition in following our country, good and bad tradition also. I hope you can understand very well. Now you can send this homework on Messenger and Mass Connect app. Stay home, stay safe.